Today I'm going to show you how to add a background color in LibreOffice Draw, step by step, in a really simple way. If you've ever opened a Draw document and wanted to give it a different look, maybe for a flyer, a poster, a worksheet, or just to make your page stand out, this is the exact method you need. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, look at the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. This opens a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can work on your page layout and design. Now that your Draw document is open, head up to the top menu and click Format. From the Format menu, choose Page Properties. This is where you can change the look and settings of the page itself, including the background. When the Page Properties window opens, go to the Area tab. The Area section controls the fill and background appearance of the page. Here, you'll see different options for colors and styles, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on changing the background color. Select the background color you want to apply. You can choose a simple solid color that matches your design or project. If you're making something professional, you might go for a clean white, light gray, or soft blue. If you want something more creative, you can pick a bold color that makes your document stand out. After selecting the color, click OK to confirm your changes. Once you do that, the page background color will be applied to your LibreOffice Draw document immediately. And that's it. You've now successfully added a background color in LibreOffice Draw. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how your page looks and feels. Whether you're building a school project, a printable design, or a simple visual layout, this feature is very useful to know. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next LibreOffice tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.